metallurgical industry operates in an environment where extreme temperatures, open flames, and high-risk conditions are the norm. The maintenance and repair of metallurgical furnaces, particularly slag removal and crucible breakout, have historically been dangerous tasks performed by human workers. Metallurgical furnaces are at the heart of steelmaking and other metal production processes. Over time, slag buildup and the deterioration of refractory linings within these furnaces necessitate maintenance and repair. Traditionally, human workers, equipped with basic tools, have been tasked with the dangerous job of slag removal and crucible breakout, putting their safety at risk. Recognizing the safety hazards involved in manual maintenance, the industry turned to hydraulic hammers mounted on fixed tracks to facilitate slag removal and crucible breakout. While this was an improvement in terms of worker safety, it still posed challenges, especially in navigating confined spaces and ensuring precision. The latest innovation in metallurgical furnace maintenance is the introduction of tracked, remote-controlled demolition robots. These state-of-the-art machines are purpose-built to operate in extreme conditions, including high temperatures and near-open flames. Equipped with specialized hydraulic attachments, such as hydraulic hammers and grapples, these robots are revolutionizing the way slag removal and crucible breakout are conducted. Now, let's take a look at the advantages of robotic furnace maintenance. Enhanced safety. The foremost advantage of using robotic systems is the significant reduction in human exposure to hazardous conditions. Robots can withstand high temperatures and execute tasks in areas inaccessible to human workers, ensuring enhanced safety. Precision and efficiency. Remote-controlled robots offer unparalleled precision and efficiency in slag removal and crucible breakout. They can access tight spaces, remove slag with precision, and perform repetitive tasks consistently. Cost savings. While the initial investment in robotic systems may be substantial, the long-term cost savings in terms of reduced labor and improved furnace uptime make them a financially sound choice for metallurgical facilities. Robotic furnace maintenance is already making its mark in the metallurgical industry. These robots are employed in steel mills, foundries, and other metallurgical facilities worldwide. They excel in removing slag, breaking refractory material, and maintaining the integrity of crucibles.